Hey guys, what is up? My name is ItzelCuch and today we are in PJs. Holy So I'm very excited because today is the first video of this new series that I'm starting, which is called Fall in Love. No, I am not going to be talking about relationships or boyfriends or breakups or anything like that. I'm going to be talking more about falling in love with food, falling in love with yourself, falling in love with life, with fall. I love fall. Fall is amazing. So I've been playing around with recipes, with food, and I came up with these 3 very good desserts. For this series, we are going to be making some little changes here in this channel. Instead of having Empowering Wednesdays, yes, I'm kind of sad too, it will come back. But for this next month, I am going to be having uploads every Tuesday and every Thursday, plus every Saturday. So now instead of having 2 videos, you are going to have 3 videos a week. Now before we go any further, please go ahead and subscribe and click on that little bell button right next to the subscribe button, just so that you don't miss any videos, especially on this series. When I say serious, it sounds like serious. Like serious? Something that I cannot be. So now that we're all set, let's go on to the video. The first one is a flat chocolate banana bread. We need chocolate protein powder, cocoa powder, and a banana. Smash it all together. Add coconut spray to a baking pan. Bake your mixture in the oven for about 15 minutes on 350 degrees. It does get sticky, so you do need to be gentle when you cut and serve. The second one is a peanut butter and chocolate berry sandwich. We are going to add 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, 4 frozen berries, and chopped up 100% dark chocolate. Sandwich it up, smother it up with vegan butter, and place in a pan at medium heat. Flip it over once and cover so that the berries get cooked very well. I put it up with banana slices and low sugar syrup. The last one is a vegan strawberry cheesecake. We're going to slice up 4 strawberries. We are going to caramelize them. And to do that, we just add them to a pan with a little bit of sugar and water. We're going to set that on low to medium heat. While that cooks, we are going to smash up some buttery rounds. I used around 10 crackers. Then we are going to add some vegan butter and mix it all together. Then we are going to fix it on a plate so that the crust looks kind of like a bowl, so that the filling can sit nicely inside of it, like in the middle. To make the filling, we need 1 tablespoon of coconut cream cheese, 1 tablespoon of almond milk, and 1 tablespoon of the strawberry caramel that we are cooking up. Add the filling to the crust and bake that on 350 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. Once it's done, we top it off with our strawberry caramel and we put it on the fridge for about 20 minutes to cool down. And that's it. There you have it. 3 delicious, super healthy and vegan desserts. Thank you so much for watching. I am so happy to be welcoming fall, and I really enjoy fall, so I hope that you enjoy it too. And if not, well, you can watch this video so that you can start falling in love with fall. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to connect with me. I have all my social media links down below in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and that is it for me. See you all the day after tomorrow. Bye.